Over the course of a project, a customer has a reasonable expectation to hear from the contractor. They want to know who's showing up, what's happening, what did happen, and what's happening next. Our company will contact you pretty much on a daily basis to let you know what is happening, what has happened, and what is going to be happening over the course of the week. And what that entails would be, are we showing up to do demolition? Are we showing up to do some cleanup? Is the electrician showing up? The plumber's going to show up. We're going to be doing some framing, and we will let you know a multitude of ways through email and text and phone call. The biggest complaint I receive from people is that I never hear from anybody, and then somebody shows up, and we don't even know what's going on. So we do prefer to give you a schedule. We try to maintain that schedule and keep to it. And our friendly office staff will be reaching out to you pretty much on a daily basis to let you know what has happened, what the outcome of that was, what's happening today, and more importantly, what's happening over the course of the week. And as things change, let's say there's a delay, we're going to let you know about the delay. We're not going to keep that from you. We're going to be honest with you. And we're going to let you know what we're doing in order to accommodate that delay to keep the project on track.